everyone and welcome to my channel. So right now, I will show you the unboxing of Realme C11. So just stay tuned guys and watch this video. Hello guys! So mag-unboxing po tayo ngayon ng cellphone. So kakarating lang nito and this is Realme C11. So ayan po yung box niya. And napakabongga ng lagayan niya from Abenson. So let's open the box. So let's see what's inside. So this is what you will see in the box. So meron siyang charger. So ayan. So the cord para sa charger nyo. And let's check it out. Ito na. So we chose color green or lime green. So that's the back part of the phone. So, set up muna natin siya from the language to Wi-Fi connections. So, that's the first thing that we gotta do. Set up your phone. So you can now sign in to your Google account if you have one, but if not, then you can just go ahead and create. So with the C11, you would be able to have your lock screen password. So, ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. There you go. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. It's so alive. Ang ganda. And the shape, it's so sleek. Yan. Ang ganda ng mga edges. It's so smooth. And so, there are a lot of apps to choose from. It has been presetted already, so pipili lang kayo dyan. So yung mga hindi naman kailangan, I'll just need to have that removed. So let's try to check and play some games kasi nga sabi nila maganda to for gaming.
Ako ni ate.
Tampok mo lang yung mga kuko dyan. Perfect! Okay.
Tapos yung camera.
Okay na. So now let's try to take some photos. So ganyan. So ngayon naman, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-subscribe sa channel ko. So all you have to do is just search for my channel. That's Glimpse May. So search nyo lang dyan. But of course, you're watching my channel right now. So tuturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-subscribe. So all you have to do is just do this. So yan, pipili lang kayo niya ng any videos na gusto nyo. And I'm sure lahat magugustuhan nyo because it's very educational, very informative. So, ganyan lang po. Click on subscribe and ring the bell and click on like as well. So, kung feel nyo namang mag-comment, you can comment as well. And now, let's go download Facebook. So, alam naman natin na most people has Facebooks already. So, since new yung phone natin, we'll just need to download and install Facebook here. So, ayan, it's installing now. So, this has a 32 gigabyte of internal memory. So, pwede ding lagyan niyo siya ng SD card para mas marami yung magiging storage niya. So, this is my honest review for this C11 cell phone. So, matagal-tagal naman talaga yung battery niya. That's why it's good for gaming. So, it also has a long battery life and also the performance of the phone. Mabilis siya. All you have to do is just check updates on the settings para laging updated yung phone niyo. Now, also in taking pictures, fair enough for the price, yung mga photos. At malaking bagay na to para sa mga estudyante natin in having online classes. So, that's it. So, thank you so much all for watching. Sana nakatulong tong review na to for you in buying a phone. So, ayan, nakilala nyo na ang ating Realme C11. So, thank you so much for watching our unboxing. So, by the way, guys, this is worth 4,990